Hi friends, this is Dhanraj from Happy Planet. Today I bought mini display port to VGA port. This is a converter, a mini display, and it connects to the VGA port. So this is Apple genuine part. It's a sealed pack. You can see this is a sealed pack, and the MRP is 2,500 rupees. And I have this also. This is Thunderbolt to Ethernet adapter. So the MacBooks, whichever is there, what happened? It comes Thunderbolt and doesn't come the Ethernet port. You can't connect the internet wire on this. So this is also 2,500 rupees the MRP, and we are giving this in best price. So guys, who's really interested can contact us. Thank you.